Next month, however, an international team of scientists led by Neil Gemmell from the University of Otago, New Zealand, will conduct an investigation into the waters of the famous loch, which could help to settle the mystery once and for all. Trending, WWE Monday Night Raw Live results, 5/21 show includes more Lashley backstory. The scientists will sample the water using so-called environmental DNA, EDNA, which will enable them to identify tiny remnants of genetic material left behind by any life in the loch. This technique will allow them to create a detailed list of all organisms living in the waters and determine whether anything unusual, a larger marine monster, for example, resides there. Gemmell maintains that finding traces of such an animal would be extremely unlikely, but he is nevertheless intrigued by what his team may find. Large fish, like catfish and sturgeons, have been suggested as possible explanations for the monster myth, and we can very much test that idea and others, he said in a statement. Don't miss, flooding and heat waves could ruin your summer plans. Will the outdoor industry save them? Looking for traces of a mythological monster is not the only goal of the upcoming research, though. While the prospect of looking for evidence of the Loch Ness monster is the hook to this project, there is an extraordinary amount of new knowledge that we will gain from the work about organisms that inhabit Loch Ness, the UK's largest freshwater body, Gemmell said. The project will help researchers to understand more about both native and invasive species in the loch, such as the Pacific pink salmon. Gemmell predicts that the team will uncover never-before-documented species, bacteria in particular. Most popular, Jurassic Park, Danger. Review, Dino-sized fun. With balance issues, scientists have already used EDNA sampling to find rare aquatic species and as a tool to monitor sharks, whales and fish, among other animals. The effectiveness of EDNA can be put down to the fact that life leaves behind many different traces. This article was first written by Newsweek. More from Newsweek.